I visited the Yanoba axis, where the ongoing overhead bridge and road construction is gradually reshaping one of the most congested junctions on the Badagry Expressway corridor. For anyone familiar with this area, Yanoba has long been a hotspot for traffic gridlock, pedestrian danger, and daily frustration. What is happening on ground now suggests a serious attempt to finally fix this long-standing problem. Yanoba is not just another bus stop, it serves as a major link between Ojo, Alaba, Okokomaiko, Satellite Town, and Badagry, while also providing access to schools, markets, residential areas, and commercial hubs. Every day, thousands of pedestrians cross this junction, often risking their life to navigate fast moving vehicles. At the same time, buses, trailers, and private cars all compete for limited road space. This combination made Yanoba one of the most dangerous and chaotic points along the expressway. The purpose for the overhead bridge. The overhead pedestrian bridge is designed to separate foot traffic from vehicular movement, which is a major safety upgrade for the area. Once completed, pedestrians will be able to cross the expressway without stepping into traffic, reducing accidents and improving overall flow. From what I observed, the bridge structure is taking shape with visible support pillars and ongoing work around the crossing points. This alone represents a significant change from the past, when pedestrians had no safe option at all. The road expansion. Beyond the bridge itself, road construction and expansion is actively ongoing around Yanoba Junction. Sections of the old road have been opened up, with new layers being prepared to support heavier traffic. Drainage construction is also part of the project, which is critical for preventing water damage and flooding. Poor drainage has historically contributed to road failure in this area, so addressing it now could extend the lifespan of the road significantly. Some of the current changes on ground. As expected, construction has made movement around Yanoba more difficult in the short-term traffic build up quickly without any notice. During peak hours, and pedestrians must remain cautious navigating temporary paths. Commercial drivers and residents are adjusting to new traffic patterns, and patience is currently the order of the day. While this can be frustrating, it reflects the reality of upgrading infrastructure in a densely populated urban area. But now, let's talk about the long-term benefits. Once completed, the Yanoba overhead bridge and road upgrade could drastically improve safety, traffic flow, and travel time. Reduce congestion at this junction will have a ripple effect along the Badagry Expressway, benefiting commuters traveling to and from surrounding communities. Businesses around the Yanoba may also see improved patronage as accessibility improves. For residents, the project represents a step forward toward a more organized and safer urban environment. Projects like this show the importance of investing in functional infrastructure, not just new roads, but safer junctions and smarter traffic management. If executed properly and maintained, the Yanoba project could serve as a template for other congested intersections across Lagos. Here is my own personal view and my final thoughts concerning this project. From my visit, the Yanoba overhead bridge and road construction shows visible progress and clear intention. While the area is currently dealing with traffic challenges, the long-term gains, especially in safety and reduced congestion, could be substantial. For now, Lagos residents will be watching closely, hoping the project is completed on time and to a high standard. I will continue to monitor the progress and share updates as work continues.